Okay, so what we're going to do for video purposes, I'm leaving the protective layer on the plexiglass. Make sure you peel the safety coating before you install your brackets. Grab your brackets, 2 thumb screws. Don't crank them down, don't tighten them all the way. Now we've installed the thumb screws. Going to install our bracket, a bracket plate, and our 1/2 inch nuts. Careful when you're tightening your nuts. You don't want to you just want to snug your nut up. You don't want to go more than 1 to 2 pounds of torque. Install your panel on your work surface. Tighten your thumb screws. Install your panel, tighten your thumb screws, and your panel's installed.